Leopard 2 is a main battle tank developed by Krauss-Maffei in the 1970s for the German military. The tank first entered service with the Army in 1979 and replaced its predecessor the Leopard 1 as the main tank of the West German Army. Several versions have served in the German Army and 12 other European countries, as well as several other non-European countries. The Leopard 2 has been used in the Kosovo conflict by German forces, the Afghanistan conflict by Danish and Canadian troops, and the civil war in Syria by Turkish troops. A well-known variant in the Leopard 2 tank is the Leopard 2A4, which has a square and vertical turret. Then there is also a development variant of the 2A4 series, namely the Leopard 2A5, which has a turret equipped with a sharp steel shield. Each variant features a digital fire control system assisted by laser guidance, a powerful cannon and a coaxial machine gun. The system also includes night vision aids and other vision aids. The initial variant used a low-light level television system, which was later replaced by a thermal camera system. This tank has the ability to shoot moving targets